When it comes to understanding how to use your camper, having a user guide is super helpful. You should receive one with your handover pack and in a link in an email from us. Here we will show you where you can find the user guides on our website. First we start at the home page and we scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and in the black footer section you'll see a link, User Guides. Click on this link. This has now taken you to the User Guides page where we have all of our user guides and pole plans. Firstly, click on the little plus next to the Camper Trailer User Guides tab to show you all the user guides that are available. Here you'll click on, for example, the Buckley Ultralight. This opens a new window and is asking you for a password. Your password will be in your handover kit, or give us a call if you're unsure. Now you can view your user guide in a PDF. If you go back to the main tab that you were on before you opened up the user guide, you can see a plus next to the pole plans. You click on this plus and you will see all the pole plans that are available. You'll notice that some models have different variations. This is the variation, and the pole number has changed over a little bit of time. So you'll just need to click which one is most appropriate to you. If you scroll further down the page, you'll see our extra guides. Here you can download the care and maintenance manual and also our hot water connection guide. We will be loading more guides in here as we make them for further reference. These guides do not need a password and can be viewed at any time.